Hi everyone, welcome back. So I am I'm kind of excited. One, my hair's kind of doing a whole thing, and I'm kind of vibing with it. But also, I don't have a migraine, which I've had a migraine now for the past 2 days. So today's gonna be a great day. Well, today's also gonna be a great day because we're going to be doing our weekly home blessing. What is that? Well, let me explain. Weekly home blessing is where we're basically going to do high level cleaning, and I mean very high level. And we're going to be doing 6 different tasks, and we're going to do it for about 10 minutes each. That's it. At the end of 10 minutes, you're done. So either you get done in 10 minutes, or if you can't get done in 10 minutes, that's perfectly fine. You just stop what you're doing. We'll do it again next week. So I wanted to, I have my control journal right here. So I'm going to tell you what those tasks are now. And before we actually start doing those tasks, I'll go into a little bit more depth as to what they are. Okay, so the first task that we're going to be doing is tossing old magazines and newspapers. So, with that, if you're like me, I don't really have a lot of magazines and newspapers. I may have some, but not a lot. So, what I will usually do during that time is I'm going to do a really quick dusting. So, we'll be doing that. Around that time, you also change the sheets. So when it comes to the sheets, people may be in the bed. So in that case, you may need to save that one for later. Next is emptying the trash. We're not going to be doing our kitchen trash. It is really geared more towards the bathrooms and any extra rooms that have trash cans in them. The next one is sweeping the floors and or vacuuming. I have hardwood floors, and there for the longest time, I hate sweeping. I hate it with a passion. So I would do a vacuuming. Um, but we'll talk a little bit more about that when we get to it. The next one is mopping. I do have a new mop. I kind of love it. So I'll be using that one today. And the last one is mirrors. And the mirrors, again, are in the bathrooms. They're also, if you have mirrors around the house, that's when you're going to get to those as well. So that is the basics of the weekly home blessing. And again, we're doing that in about an hour. We're going to be taking, you're supposed to go and use about 10 minutes per task. You may not use the whole 10 minutes, and that's perfectly fine. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get started with the tossing old magazines, newspapers, and dusting.